Hey, what's happening, Stinker Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we start this video, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
On this video, we got that what? That
Weekly,
weekly heat, baby.
weekly
That
heat.
weekly heat.
Yes, sir.
These are the shoes that are coming out on the 21st to the 27th of July. Looks like we only have 2 shoes coming out that are posted on thus far, but we know Jordan Brand, they may sprinkle some more in along the way, but these are the main 2 that are coming out this week. So starting off on July 23rd, MJ, we do have that Jordan 39 Soul. This does come at a price point of $200. This is a brand new Jordan model 39 series. We was on number 38, so now these are 39, and this is the first colorway of the 7 that have been shown already. Majority of the shoes are pretty much all white or all black. And to drop this colorway, I'm a little bit confused because you look at the colorway, it's majority of it is all white. And being that you're playing basketball, running up and down the court, thinking like those are gonna get dirty and scuffed up. But but again, I am interested in these because they do have a lot of technology in there. Like supposedly MJ has sat down with the designers because, you know, his shoes haven't been up to par lately. So he wanted a more luxurious and tech to be involved in these shoes. And so one of the interesting things is supposed to have some type of full length air unit that goes along the bottom of the shoes that's built in. And so it's supposed to have refined textures. But if you look at it, it kind of reminds me of this shoe right here. The same pattern of these Yeezys. So I'm interested to get one in hand so I can compare these to the Yeezys. But my opinion, the design, the pattern kind of reminds me of this shoe right here. Let me know down in the comments. Do you agree or disagree? But I'm curious to hear your opinion, sneakerheads. But overall, this is a nice basketball shoe, and I am looking forward to checking these out in store. And like I said, if they are comfortable to rock casual, then I could see myself picking up a pair of these, but only time will tell. As for right now, I am rocking these because Jordan Brand seems like they're trying to get back into the innovation, and supposedly they are trying to bring quality back to the Jordan Brand line, at least in these basketball shoes. But we have to wait to get these in hand. What about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
Them shoes. I don't know if they building a car or they making shoes. Design, and being very technical on what they're doing. It's a shoe. Keep it simple, Jordan Brand. Drop us a comment down below if you agree or disagree. But I just feel like they just thinking outside the box too much when it comes to designing these shoes. But I will be dropping those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on July the 27th, Jordan Brand is dropping the Air Jordan 4. This is a special edition. We call them the Wet Cement, aka Olympic, right? Reason being, everybody know the Olympics start in 26. They are celebrating this 35 year of this model of shoe. Jordan Brand wanted to drop this shoe day after Olympics start, and what's drawing inspiration from this shoe is just the different colors of gray they have in this shoe, and it's just from the cobblestone streets in Paris, right? So if you just look at the different shades of gray, it really don't make sense. Gray. I mean, drop us a comment down below if you can explain why they went with gray. But this does not look like a summer shoe, right? This shoe strictly speaks fall, winter. I am a fan of the tongue, you know what I mean? I really like that there. But just the different shades of gray, I'm not really understanding that, not right now with it being in the summer. But I am a fan of the fours. I will be rocking those. Price point of those is $225 for men's, and then grade school is going for $160. I can really see these shoes sitting because of that price point. I mean, are you buying these shoes so the babies, the grade schools can scuff them up because they seem like scuff them? I mean, they no good after you scuff them. It really don't make sense right now. Jordan Brand are dropping this shoe right now, but like I said, I am a fan of the shoe, and I will be rocking those. Just because I'm just a fan fan of the fours themselves. What about you, my brother?
I'm on the fence about these. Actually, to be surprising that resale value for these are high right now. So I think they are going to sell out because of that. Unfortunately, like you said, I'm on the fence only because of that high retail price, $225. I mean, out the door, you're paying like $240 and 70 cents, here in North Carolina with that 7% tax. And I don't understand why this shoe is getting so much hype. I mean, it has things that nobody likes on it. So I don't understand why the retail is so high. Kind of reminds me of these craft fours right here that don't have this netting on the side. And you know that these are sitting under retail. These craft fours right here, the ones that I got that are the same color, but they're light gray. And this does have that manila hit on the tags, which makes it a little bit more impressive in my opinion. But in doing all chromatic shoe, makes it look like again a Yeezy. So I guess they figured that Kanye ain't around to sue them anymore because he's not with Adidas. It is a pretty nice touch with that emboss or deep imprint that they do have the Flight logo in there, as well as the Jordan Jumpman. I do agree with you on about that. I do think that's a nice touch. Another thing that I don't think a lot of people notice, but if you look around the toe box, it does have crackle material. And there was another shoe that came out with that crackle material, and everybody hated that shoe. And those shoes sat. So to have two things against it, I don't really understand why this shoe is reselling for so high. I mean, I understand why it's so high because the retail value is so high, but like my size is already going over for $300. Bigger size is your size, like, who knows, $350 or maybe even more. I'm gonna go ahead and drop these, unfortunately, because like I know for me, I already have these right here, and I do think that this is the better colorway in my opinion. Well, let me know down in the comment your opinion. These are the craft fours. Again, basically they build a craft four that has no netting on the front, no netting on the side, and that's the one reason why people didn't like these. They just dropped an all monochromatic green one called the olive, and those are going from the retail on StockX. My size and get one for about 167, size 10. And I don't know why, like again, these are above retail value or above price point. Your size 12, going for $391. After you add shipping and taxes, you're probably like $425. So let us know down in the comments, do you agree or disagree? We'd like to hear y'all comments and chime in on this topic right here. Let us know why these shoes are popping.
Yes, sir. If you continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
Like we said, for sure, when you're blessed.
Hey, bless others. Peace.